Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Sunday, October the 24th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It's a one-box break. Randomed up our 25 remaining box numbers. We got box number 43. Did random team sales for it. This chair's going to drive me nuts tonight here. We did random team sales on your left. Team's customers been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, nothing going down though. So, here we go. Alright guys, I'm not gonna peek either. Everybody going to find out at the same time there. Well, bam! Going to be a Charger hit there, guys. Not a monster, but a solid hit, folks. Going to be one of the all-time great tight ends in Antonio Gates. EclipseAuthentic. Beckett sticker and card on that baby. Who is the Chargers? Well, that's gonna be a pool boy hit, guys. Well, no, Buffalo hit there, bud, but it is a hit. Getting you back on track there, Pool. Sorry, everybody else. Did buy a ton of spots, though, guys. To be a pool hit. Here we go. Alright, we got a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times. Well, I got SD Tiger and Pool Boy going to be our remaining qualifiers on it. 99 and 100, folks. We got 24 boxes left in the series. Still a whole lot of nice stuff left out there for you guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.